Hello and welcome, and in this video I'll show you what services can you get from your IMEI number of your HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro. First, find your IMEI number. It will be in the settings of your HUAWEI, in the About Phone section, in the bottom most likely. And the second step is to enter the IMEI.info website, and here enter the IMEI number of your HUAWEI, and you will see the basic info about your phone, as well as you can find the full device specifications and stuff like that. Also the parameters, and also you can expand the info. You can see the, for example, the camera specs. And here you have the basic checks and the advanced ones, which I'll paid. And in the basic checks you have the warranty check, which you can just tap on that, press check HUAWEI warranty, and you will see if your device is still under warranty or not. As you can see, this one is in fact in warranty, so let's go to the other service. Okay, let's perform a simple blacklist check. As you can see, the device is not on the blacklist. Okay, you can also check if the device is compatible with eSIM. As you can see, it's not. You can also generate random IMEI numbers for this device. You can also check the MAC address of your device, but you have to enter your MAC address right here, which also can be found in the About Phone tab in the settings. The MAC generator, it will generate 10 random MAC addresses for this device. You can also perform a carrier lookup by entering your phone number, but remember to read this instruction that you have to put the country code and phone number together, so it can work. You can also add your device to a lost database of the IMEI.info website. And for example, if you want to check if your newly bought device was added to this database, you can also do that right here in the lost stolen check report. You can also pay for the premium blacklist check to see if your phone is on some kind of blacklist. And as well, you can perform a HUAWEI SIM unlock by contacting this website and paying. So, if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.